In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app visibility in Base44. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go and what to click so you can control who can see and access your app inside Base44. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you have the right permissions to edit the app. Once you're in, start by opening the app where you want to change the visibility settings. In this example, we're working inside a TaskFlow app, but the process will be similar for other apps in your workspace. From your list of apps, click on the app's name to open its editor view. This is where you manage the structure and configuration of your app. Once the app editor has loaded, look toward the main navigation area and click on Dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for your app. It's where you get an overview of how the app is set up, and it's also where you'll find important settings like visibility and access. If you don't immediately see Dashboard, check the top or left navigation bar, depending on how your Base44 layout is configured. After you're on the dashboard, the next step is to go into the Overview section. Go ahead and click on Overview. This section usually gives you a high-level look at your app's configuration, things like entities, workflows, and sometimes quick links to app-level settings. It serves as a hub that helps you jump into more specific configuration areas without getting lost. Inside the Overview area, look for the option labeled App Visibility. This is the key place where you control who can see and use the app. Click on App Visibility to open its settings. Here, you'll typically find controls that let you make the app visible to everyone in your organization, restrict it to specific teams or roles, or keep it limited to certain users. Take a moment to review the current visibility setting so you understand how it's configured before you make changes. Once you've opened the App Visibility section, you can adjust the settings according to your needs. For example, if you're still testing the app, you might want to keep it limited to a small group. If it's ready for wider use, you might choose a broader visibility option. After you've made your changes, remember to save or apply them so they actually take effect. And that's all you need to do to get to the app visibility controls in Base44 and update who can access your app.